This is my 49cc China motor. It's a little 4-stroke. I turned it back upside down, and I did a little bit of running on it. It worked with the original carburetor. It's just it was kept flooding out on me, so I didn't want to damage the engine. So I created my own intake right here, and then used the original carb on it, and it's working perfectly. It does have a little bit of backflow on the oil. It's going to leak just a little bit, but once the oil gets to where it needs to be at, it's actually slowing down. It's not even leaking anymore. I've been running, I probably already ran 20 miles on it, and it's doing really good. I mean, it's not having no problems. But I just want to show you what it looks like. See, I'm a tall guy, so I like a bigger bike, and the 29 inches, and I couldn't fit this motor, you know, this direction, because it's too compact. It's just not going to fit without doing any modifications. So I took the engine and I moved it this way, and then I just did a couple modifications right here. It's the only thing I've done, and it's running great. Fires right up and everything. It goes up to maximum RPMs without shutting down or anything. So it does a really good job. Here's my brother. I'm gonna fire it up real quick and do another run on it to show you what it does, and then I'll be right back. Just want to let you know that the clutch assembly on it, when they made these things, the clutch is oblong. It's not like full circle, so it's kind of gripping on me, and that's probably what you're hearing in the background, which I just gotta get a better clutch assembly. Other than that, this motor is a bad little engine, and the only thing I've done to modify it to run it like this, and this motor is cool, so you can see I'm holding it, so you know that it's not burning up or anything. But the only thing I've done is I put a vacuum tube right here to the intake right here, and that's the only thing I've done without putting this on there. There's only two little things I've done to make it work, and it runs great on these little 29 inches. But anyway, thank you for looking and watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for taking time to listen to me. Have a nice day.